Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to pair two UE Megaboom speakers together through the Party Up feature from the Boom application. And I'll be doing this video with an iOS device. This should also be similar, if not identical, with an Android device, the process here. So to begin, we can go ahead and power on our primary speaker. And it should connect automatically to your device if you've already connected before. If not, you can go over to your settings and make sure that it's connected. Now, UE does have two applications for both or two different kinds of models of speakers. They have the Blast app and the Boom. For this one, we will be using the Boom application. And you can see right here your primary speaker should be in the first page. And to go over to the Party Up feature, you hit the center icon here. And your second speaker that you wish to connect should already be in the Found Speaker section here. And the speaker does not necessarily need to be powered on to be found. It does need to have be charged up for it to be found. So you could go over and drag it up. And now you can see that the LEDs have lit up and the speaker has already powered on without needing to physically go and power it on. And now we should have our double up feature ready to go. There's both speakers playing at the same time. You can also switch to stereo mode and toggle with the balance left or right, whichever speaker you want to have more sound or less sound. And to remove your speaker, a speaker that you don't want to have playing, you go ahead and drag it down, and that eliminates the second speaker here. Now we only have our primary speaker playing. And there you go, it's that simple. You should be able to do this on Android device as well. Thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the description. Once this app gets updated, there might be other ways to do it, or they might change it up a bit. So this is the latest version of this application here, so we will have to keep up with the updates and possibly make another video if they do change it up. Thank you for watching.